We're really gifted this machine as a legacy of the previous owner who, to their credit, brought this farm from a conventional blueberry farm to an organic blueberry farm, began and really laid the roadmap for all of our value-add products. They really turned this old historic blueberry farm into a historic business. And for that, it was really, to their credit, that they did their research and they found the right tool for a job that they wanted to free up their skilled laborers from doing. So that's really what the FairPick does for us, is it allows our skilled field crew to do what they do best, and that's pick high quality blueberries and not waste their time weighing and quantifying. It's really just allowed them to focus. It really is full stop. If the technology was not here, we would not be using handpick. If the FairPick technology was not lowering our picking costs and really establishing a baseline of trust between ourselves and our picking crew. That's where this FairPick machine really does have the flexibility for a small grower like myself to integrate, and it almost immediately replaces someone in the field doing this very labor-intensive tracking and quantifying job that now we've got those skilled hands freed up to do the real work of the job of farming, picking those blueberries.